guys, so today we're looking at the second method of finding the highest common factor. So this method, we're going to pick two numbers. They're bigger than the numbers we looked at last time, but we're still going to assume that we're in a non-calculator paper and we're going to have to use our mental arithmetic. So the first step is to take the two numbers. In this case, I've chosen 132 and 180. And we're going to put them into an upside down division bar. That's all I mean by that, so nothing too complicated. And then we look at them and say, what's a common factor? Now, if we have a look at these numbers, hopefully you recognise that they are both even numbers. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that's what they end in, which means we can divide them by 2. Dividing by 2 is just halving. So even if your number is quite big, it's always really simple to halve. You break it down. So let's take 132. If we break that down, it's made up of 100, of 30, and of 2. Half of 100 is 50, half of 30 is 15, and half of 2 is 1. If we add those up, 50 plus 15 give you 65. Add the 1 is going to give you 66. 180 by 2, so 180 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2 is 9, so we're going to get 90. And now, they're still even numbers. We can keep dividing by these common factors. So half of 66 is 33, and half of 90 is 45. Now we look at that, and we're like 33 and 45, no longer divisible by 2. Hopefully you recognise that 33 is in your 3 times table and in your 11 times table. So we know we can divide it by 3. What about 45? Well, we can tell we can divide 45 by 3 because 4 plus 5 equals 9. All numbers that are divisible by 3, if you add up the digits, a digit is a single number, then you will get a number that is also divisible by 3, but hopefully in your times table so you recognise that it is. So how do we divide 45 by 3? We're going to do 4 divided by 3 to give us 1. We've got 1 left over, which we add on to the 15, if you like, in front of it. So we'll have 15 divided by 3 to give us 5. 33 divided by 3 we said was 11. So now we've got two numbers where there is nowhere else to divide by. So what we do here now is we multiply these numbers that are around the edge. So can you see these numbers here? So you end up getting 2 times 2 times 3, which gives you 12. And this is your highest common factor. So the highest common factor of 132 and 180 is 12. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that this was useful to you. And, come find me on YouTube, come subscribe. I'm going to aim to put up a video a day for October, hopefully covering most of the GCSE syllabus before I start with the A-level ones. And DM me, send me questions, annoy me, okay? Thank you very much for listening.